We're cooking fries and pork chop today without splatters and guaranteed easy cleaning. We're unboxing and testing our new air fryer. Join me here at my small kitchen. Hello, we don't usually do unboxing here, but I acquired an air fryer. I never believed, or I was reluctant to acquire one because I'm very traditional. I always believe that frying needs oil. But believe me, I just got converted because last week I tasted a sisig or dinakdakan, which was air fried. It was crunchy and delicious, so I acquired one. Let's unbox it. I already cut the outer packaging for our convenience. It's Philips, of course. This is not a paid video. It's Philips because I live in Eindhoven, and this is where it all started, the Philips industry, the Philips brand. More on that later, but let's unbox. It comes with a manual, which I won't be reading. Yeah. I was really reluctant, but I made a study how this machine works, or how this small appliance works, and I was convinced. It's not rocket science. Oh yeah, it's still locked. Look, closer the door. The key is here. How do I remove this? Embarrassing. I should have read the manual. This is the container or basket, but this is where the magic happens. There's a fan and heater here. I'll show you later. And it's circulated by this contours here. Frying requires the food to be totally immersed. That's deep frying, totally immersed in very hot or boiling oil. But look here, these ridges here. These ridges are called by Philips a star, and they circulate the air back upwards through the basket, thus enveloping or wrapping around the food material, cooking it better than an ordinary oven, simulating immersion in boiling oil. Since we're eliminating oil, this appliance works best with fatty food like meat and fries, which we are cooking tonight. Now, this model has special functions, or it has pre-programmed function. Fries, what's that? I don't know that. Chicken, steak, or yes, steak, and other items, pre-programmed. And this was the heating element I was talking about, and on top of it is a fan which blows air through it, thus heating or grilling, frying the food material under it. I'll remove this first, and we can start. Cameraman, what do you want to cook first? The steak or the...
The steak.
The steak, okay. Let's watch this first. Okay. Power on. Is it on? Yeah. And function. We are cooking the steak. There. It says 180, is it? 180 for 20 degrees. That was a mistake. Let's do it again. Let's use this button. I just realized. I should have read the manual. There, it's 200 at 13 minutes. Preset. And since I'm frying lean meat, I'm adding some oil to synthesize the fry effect. Okay. And start. Where's the start button? Here, I think. No, it's running. Notice that there's an exhaust here. While this gets some background, I talk about this place as the origin of the Philips brand. Yes, the Philips fluorescent lamp, everything Philips used to be built here, or used to be fabricated here. Even the stadium, the football stadium and the football team is named after Philips. What else? The music hall where we sing, the concert hall is even Philips' own, or Philips' name. It's just more than 2 kilometers away from here. And I work for a Philips spin-off company. Did you hear that? Let's see. Look at this. Crunching. I just combine this and the fries. It says for oven and air fryer. Let's see how it works. This time let's choose fry program 22 minutes at 180. Other, sorry. Here. Okay. It takes longer. But let's give this a taste. Okay. This, we have fries. This colored because I mixed the pork chop with it. Look at this. Air fryer dinner. I'm really happy with my new acquisition. A new toy. I hope you've been inspired to cook something as well at home, with or without this. Thank you for joining me here today. I'd like to see you on the next video, here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook and share. Your Kuya here, Romulo.